Hello, my name is Keshwani. That's K-E-S-H-W-A-N-I, Keshwani. I have been solving math problems for GMAT from this book here, the GMAT Review, the official guide. If you don't have this book already, excuse me. If you don't have this book already, purchase it immediately. Go to mba.com and you can buy it from there. The problem that I'm about to solve appears on page number 162, problem solving number 84. Let's take a look at it. It says, how much does 90 minus 80 times 20 divided by 4 over half equal? Well, let's take one thing at a time. The very first thing we have to solve is the parentheses. Parentheses are always the first. So what is 20 divided by 4? That's 5. So I'm going to be 90. I'm going to write down 90 minus 80 times 5. This part right here is 5. And forget about the denominator right now for the time being. Let's just concentrate on this part here. So 90 minus 80 times 5. Is that right? Yes, it's not 80, it's 8. I thought something was strange. It's not 80, it's 8. Because I knew it wasn't a negative number. 80 times 5 would have given us a negative number when you subtract from 90. So it's 8 times 5, which is 40. 90 minus 40 is 50. So I get a 50 on the top. And then I'm asked to divide that by half. For those of you who do not know what to do with the fraction when it appears in the bottom, I want you to go to this particular video, GMAT dash, what is the same page number actually, it's right in front of you there on the opposite column there, page 162, problem solving, number 77. Go to my video number 77, problem solving 77, go to this particular video. Just go to YouTube, well obviously you're on YouTube right now. Go to the search part where it's, and then type in this tag here, GMAT dash P for page 162 dash PS for problem solving number 77. Go to this particular video and watch this video where I talk about what to do when you have a fraction at the bottom. What you do is you take your top part. I refer to this as top part and bottom part as opposed to referring to these as numerator and denominator, because that's a geeky talk. So you're supposed to take your top part, the numerator, and multiply it by the reciprocal of the bottom part. This is 1 over 2. 1 over 2 becomes 2 over 1. And that's what it is. So basically it boils down to 50 times 2, which is 100. And the answer, of course, is C. And that's what it is. So again, first part you do is take care of the parentheses. You see, I forgot about the denominator right now. That's what you should do in a real exam too. Don't try to solve the entire thing in one shot. Solve the denominator and numerator separately. Numerator and denominator separately. If denominator here was something complicated, I would have done that separately as well. But here it was simple, it's just half. So what do you start with? First thing you start out with is parentheses. Take care of this part first. 20 divided by 4 is 5. Then multiply these together. 8 times 5 is 40. 90 minus 40 gives me 50, and then divide that by half. Dividing 50 by half is same as multiplying 50 by 2. In other words, if I had 50 apples, and if I cut each apples in half, how many pieces would I have? Obviously I'll have 100 pieces, because I just cut each one of them in 2 pieces by cutting them in half. So 50 pieces of apples, the whole apples, 50 pieces of apples will become 100 apples, because I'm cutting them in half, if you want to think it intuitively. So 50 divided by half equals 100. The answer is C. Send me an email if you wish to hire my services for personal private tutoring. I'm located in Connecticut. Or if you wish to buy the DVDs, which I have put together, which contain the solutions to all the math problems in this book. There are about 400 of them, about 150 data sufficiency questions and 250 multiple choice questions. Send me an email and we'll talk. Alright? Thank you.